Advanced sensors test grapes to ensure perfect wine quality.
Automated harvesters carefully pick grapes destined for wine.
Harvested grapes are collected for controlled wine production.
Modern systems clean grapes to protect wine purity.
Grapes are thoroughly washed for safe winemaking.
Only premium grapes continue to become fine wine.
Stems are removed to prepare grapes for wine fermentation. Crushed grapes release juice that begins the wine process.
Crushed grapes release juice that begins the wine process.
Grape juice is transferred hygienically for wine production. Precise controls guide grapes as they ferment into wine.
Fermentation transforms grape juice into young wine.
Yeast begins turning grapes into alcoholic wine.
Automated mixing enhances color and flavor in wine.
Active fermentation shows grapes becoming real wine.
Smart sensors ensure grapes ferment into balanced wine.
Wine from grapes flows into tanks for clarification.
Centrifuges clarify wine produced from grapes.
Filtration refines wine made from grapes. Quality labs ensure grapes produce consistent wine.
Smart monitoring perfects wine derived from grapes. Cooling systems protect wine quality from grapes.
Wine from grapes rests before aging decisions.
Wine from grapes moves gently into barrels.
Clean barrels preserve wine made from grapes.
Barrels are filled with wine, craft from grapes. Wine from grapes matures under perfect conditions. Time enhances wine produced from grapes. Environmental control protects wine from grapes.
Precision aging refines wine created from grapes. Automated tasting evaluates wine from grapes. Barrel logistics keep wine from grapes safe.
Traceability connects grapes to wine quality. Aged wine from grapes is prepared for blending.
Blending balances flavors in wine from grapes.
Final adjustments, perfect wine from grapes.
color checks ensure premium wine from grapes. Stabilization ensures clear wine from grapes. Final filtration prepares wine from grapes. Inspection guarantees flawless wine from grapes. Bottling lines ready wine made from grapes. Clean bottles protect wine from grapes.
Wine from grapes fills bottles precisely.
Corking preserves wine from grapes. Seals protect wine crafted from grapes.
Labels tell the story of grapes turned into wine.
Accuracy ensures quality wine from grapes.
Visual checks ensure wine from grapes is flawless.
Trace codes link grapes to every wine bottle.
Wine from grapes is carefully packed.
Secure packaging protects wine from grapes.
Robots organize wine from grapes efficiently.
Wrapped pallets protect wine made from grapes.
Automated storage safeguards wine from grapes. Wine made from grapes matures in controlled barrel rooms.
Inventory systems track wine made from grapes. Temperature control preserves wine from grapes. Logistics automation handles wine from grapes.
Digital systems prepare wine from grapes for shipping.
Wine from grapes begins global distribution. Labels are printed to identify wine crafted from grapes. Automated systems label wine produced from grapes. Cameras ensure every wine bottle from grapes is perfectly labeled. Corking machines protect wine produced from grapes. Wine from grapes is sealed to preserve freshness. Capsules secure wine crafted from grapes.
Traceability links every wine bottle to grapes.
Heat sealing completes wine bottle protection. Cork inspection ensures wine from grapes is sealed correctly.
Bottles are organized for packing wine from grapes.
Cartons are formed to pack wine produced from grapes.
Robots carefully pack wine from grapes.
Sealed cartons protect wine produced from grapes. Shipping labels prepare wine from grapes for transport.
Weight checks ensure correct wine packaging from grapes.
Conveyors move wine from grapes efficiently.
Robots stack wine from grapes with precision. Pallet protection keeps wine from grapes secure.
Tracking ensures visibility of wine from grapes.
Inspections prevent damage to wine from grapes. Warehouse automation manages wine from grapes.
Wine from grapes waits in ideal conditions.
Wrapped pallets stabilize wine made from grapes.
Automation loads wine from grapes for shipping.
Digital systems track wine from grapes globally. Wine from grapes begins its journey worldwide. Wine from grapes is secured for transport. Grapes complete their transformation into exported wine. Wine rests safely before shipping worldwide.
Wine reaches consumers after a fully modern process.
Grapes now travel the world as fine wine. Careful processed grapes deliver refined wine flavor. From grapes to wine, modern technology delivers perfection.
Finished wine from grapes is market ready.
Wine from grapes travels worldwide. Wine from grapes reaches distribution centers. Wine from grapes reaches consumers. Labels reflect the journey from grapes to wine.
Experts evaluate wine from grapes.
Final checks ensure wine from grapes excellence.
Grapes finally become enjoyed wine.
Aroma and texture showcased wine from grapes.
Wine data improves future grapes.
Technology improves wine from grapes.
Hygiene protects wine quality from grapes.
Grape waste is recycled after winemaking.
Sustainable systems support wine from grapes. Water systems support wine from grapes. Clean energy fuels wine made from grapes. Automation allows non-stop winemaking from grapes. Security protects wine from grapes. Central control manages wine from grapes.
Maintenance ensures wine from grapes quality.
Continuous improvement refines wine from grapes.
Wine from grapes reaches the world. Technology serves wine from grapes. Wine from grapes reaches fine dining.
Wine from grapes is celebrated.
Visual perfection shows wine from grapes quality.
Careful farming supports wine from grapes. Precision farming improves wine from grapes. Smart agriculture enhances wine from grapes.
Planning ensures consistent wine from grapes.
Technology predicts wine from grapes.
Branding tells the grapes to wine story. Grapes have fully transformed into bottled wine.